Kawadhi nyime jotelo mag duond bura mar Jubilee opuoyo rowere mag Gen Z kage wacho ni kuom kinda gi liet mag sebedo kage miyo sirikal ewi orak mane omi kambi mar Adani gi ketrako mar gero paw ndeke ma pacho ka JKA koro onyago lemo bang' jatend piny William Ruto wito oko orak godiochieng' manyoro. Kagi nyiso ikruok magiketo, Jubilee koni gidhi medo mbi margi e gwenge duto ma Thurka maneno jotelo makare kendo madewo ngima jopiny ema biro yudo lemo mag telo e yiero mar 2027.
It is good to appreciate that haya mambo ya Adani yamesukumwa sana na vijana Gen Z. And we want to appreciate the role that the Gen Z is playing in this country, the role of opposition. But also to note that there has not been a single motion on the floor of Parliament to cancel Adani. So I don't understand why they were clapping. Na mjue Ruto ni mwongo, jamani. Alidanganya mpaka baba. Baba akasema Adani ni mzuri.
For our party, we are building Kenya again. We are building our party again. In Embu, I can assure the people of Embu that the party is going to come back in a bang, and we are going to do that which we did not do in 2022. And in 2027, we will be shining, and our SG and our party leader, who is Honorable Kioni and Honorable Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta.
And in Kiambu, you shall be seeing new changes, new direction when it comes to oversight, because every executive, be it at county level or national level, has to be held accountable to every shilling, from the Adani in national to the small Adanis in every county.
Gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja oyangoni sirikal mar county ma Nairobi chano gero ute maromo 1,975 e kar dak maudli bang' muko ute maromo 43 e chak jumani. Kaolo senyim komiti mar od bura mar